Quit prostituting my losses, been rocking that road. Been cranking that soldier boy, I'm hitting that road. It's been hard to find happy, I'm clinging, I'm hitting that note. I've been out loud the dreams, you can't say I didn't try. Pain's guaranteed, do you wanna hurt by my side? God not going tired, people picking their sides. When I think about my life, wanna be alive when I die. I'm pretty sure somebody gotta die for it. Just bought myself a politician, I'ma sneak through the motherfucking side door. Woo, let's get online, let's hurt somebody for the high score. My lord, thanks for the purpose, now I got something I can die for. I'm just grinding like I'm told, I'm just trying to sell my soul. It goes on and on it goes, it goes on and on it goes. We've been fighting, running for some time now. Should we kill somebody? It's time to find out.
Murder, murder, I got murder on my mind. Grab a body in the woods, dissect it, then dig up it, then bury it. It's tricky blood. Pull up with the profit, let me profit when we're in your hood. Run this game, we pimpin', pain and bleed for fame, but it's so good. 5 syllables, I bled for music. 4 syllables, it fed me though. 3 syllables, it saved me. 2 syllables, crazy. 1 syllable, go. Shameless, everybody's shameless. Monetized live to get Instagram famous. Following blindly, the mindless and brainless. The game is contagious, a pain in the anus. My homeostasis is waking up wasted. Selling all my music to make money off the struggle. Living in my western bubble. Trying to make racks in the rubble. Fuck it. I want a cheat coat on. Pull up with the prof with a tin still on. Do a drive-by on a politician, bitch, die. I'm famous, mom.
I'm just grinding like I'm told, I'm just trying to sell my soul. Oh, yeah. It goes on and on it goes, it goes on and on it goes. We've been fighting, running for some time now.
Yeah, we've been running for some time.
Should we kill somebody? It's time to find out. Yep. Just saying, anything bad happened to you today? Tell me something bad.